Little Angel Reader.
Little Angel Reader.
English with Little Angel Reader. Level 1, Lesson 19. Airplanes. Airplanes. 6 airplanes. 6 airplanes. There are 7 airplanes in the sky. There are 7 airplanes in the sky. I see 2 airplanes. I see 2 airplanes. There are 4 airplanes now. There are 4 airplanes now. Airplanes, planes. Airplanes, planes. The airplanes are flying. The airplanes are flying. Look, the airplanes are flying. What are they doing? They are flying. Fly, fly, flying, flying. What are the airplanes doing? Yes, they are flying. Wow! How many airplanes do you see? How many airplanes do you see? Let's count. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I see 8 airplanes. I see 8 airplanes. There are 8 airplanes in the sky. There are 8 airplanes in the sky. There are 8 flying airplanes. There are 8 flying airplanes. There are. There is 1 paper airplane. There is 1 paper airplane. There is 1 plane. There is 1 plane. There are 8 airplanes. There are 8 airplanes. There are 9 airplanes. There are 9 airplanes. What color is Max's airplane? What color is Max's airplane? It's blue. It's blue. It's blue and orange. It's blue and orange.
I have a blue airplane.
Bird. Are you guys flying? Are you guys flying? Are you guys flying?
Yes, we are. We're going up.
Are you guys flying?
Yeah.
Whoa, Wolfie! Hold on, Wolfie, hold on! What's this? What's this? It's a paper airplane. It's a paper airplane. It's a white paper airplane. It's a white paper airplane. This is a book. This is a book. Do you see a boy and an airplane? Max and the paper airplanes. Max and the paper airplanes. This is Max. This is Max. Max has 2 paper airplanes. Max Max has 4 paper airplanes. Max has 4 paper airplanes. The boy is flying his paper airplane. The boy is flying his paper airplane. What is the boy's name? What's the boy's name? His name is Max. His name is Max. Max is drawing. Max is drawing. Look, the big and small bubbles are flying. Look, the big and small bubbles are flying. The big bubble is flying. The big bubble is flying. A kitten. A kitten. 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 Tanya and Miroslav have a kitten. Tanya and Miroslav have a kitten. A kitten is a baby cat. A kitten is a baby cat. The kitten's name is Milan. The kitten's name is Milan. This kitten is small. This kitten is small. It is not big. It is not big. Kitten, kitten, what do you see? Kitten, kitten, what do you see? I see 2 dolphins looking at me. I see 2 dolphins looking at me.
What do you see? I see a monkey looking at me.
No.
Looking at me. Pink. What do you see? I see a brown bear looking at me. Brown bear, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children,
What do you see?
we see.
Meow, meow.
Hello, little kitten.
Meow, meow.
Max is playing with 2 frogs. Max is playing with 2 frogs.
Fun with Max. Fun with Max. Fun with Max.
Fun with Max. Hello, Max and I are playing memory again. And we have more cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 there. There are 10 cards altogether. Max, let's see if we can play this game. Get down, I can only see your feet. We can't see your face. Hello?
You have a face.
I can't see your face. Get down. Okay, I'll flip over 2 cards. Cow and... Cow! That's my first match. Okay, you try to find a match. You flip over any 2 cards and check them. This one, mouse, and... you got a match, Max. You get to keep these cards, okay? Goat and... Goat again. Max, you try. I got another match. There are 4 cards left. Chicken and chicken. Oh no. And what is left here? A horse and horse. 2 horses. Animals. Animals. These are animals. These are animals. Hello, Max and I are playing memory again. We have 10 cards. Max, I can't see your face. I can only see your feet. Come on, I'll flip 2 cards over and see if I get a match. Chicken and... Chicken again. I got a match right away. You got a match right away. Oh my goodness, we're lucky today, Max. Let's try one more time. Horse and goat. Okay, Max, look. Your turn. No matches for me so far. Your turn. Flip over any 2 cards. golden goat. Wow, you are lucky. Okay, horse. There's a horse here and horse. Okay, that was a fast game. Cow, cow. Okay, thank you. Good job. Well done. Hello, I am your English teacher. I am your English teacher. My name is Anna. I have 2 children, Angelina and Max. I have 2 children, Angelina and Max. They speak English. They speak English. We live in Russia. We live in Russia. English with Little Angel Reader. Level 1, Lesson 19. If you like my lessons, you can thank me here. PayPal, littleangelreader@gmail.com. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.